Hi Yogesh, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, sir. And what about you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you tell us something about yourself?
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to introduce myself and consider me in mock. As my name is Yogesh Giri and I am from Aurangabad. I just completed BTech completed in 2022, and after that, I will learn manual testing and automation testing concept from YouTube and our channel.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Okay, great. So what is the difference between instance variables and local variables in Java?
Instance variable and
Local variable.
local variable.
Hmm.
Basically, sir, first of all, I talk about local variable.
Hmm.
The local variable is declared inside the method body,
Hmm.
inside the class body, and outside the method body. The scope of that local variable is remains only within the body, and the instance variable is also called as global variable.
Uh, did you just say that the local variables are declared outside the method? Do you
No, sir.
yeah. So do you declare local variable within the function or outside the function?
Within the class body and outside the method body.
Within the class and outside the, what does that mean? Hmm?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, see, I'll give you the answer. Local
Okay.
variables are the variables present within a block, function or constructor, right? And they
Okay.
can be accessed only inside them, right?
Okay. Okay.
So whenever you declare a local variable within the method, inside a method,
Right.
the other class methods don't have any knowledge about that local variable. Okay, so that is local variable.
Yes.
Now let's talk about instance variable, right? What are instance variable?
Okay.
What are instance variable?
Instance variable.
Hmm.
Instance variable.
Hmm.
Instance variable is also called as global variable, and the instance variable is declared inside the
Wait,
inside the constructor.
okay. They are declared outside the methods, but within the class. So
Outside the
what definition you were
class,
telling for
right?
local variable, that comes for
Yes.
instance variable. Okay.
Instance variable.
Hmm. So if any modification is done on these kind of instance variables, right, then the impact will
Yes.
be only in the instance in which they are present, but other class instances will continue to remain unaffected.
Okay.
Okay, did you get the difference between the two?
Yes, sir.
Now is
Local
it
and
clear?
instance.
Absolutely, yeah. Now, okay, what is constructor overloading?
Constructor.
Overloading.
Constructor is same as a block similar to method. Constructor is same as a class name. And in constructor, there are no any return type. There are two ways to calling constructor by using class name and by using new keyword.
Mhm.
Constructor is used to initialize the instance variable and also its method. Whenever we want to run piece of code in constructor, then inside we have to write the code inside the constructor. And as per the Java language, as per according to the Java language, every class has a constructor. When we will not when we will when we will not create a constructor, at that time compiler will create a one automatically constructor, and this constructor have blank body.
Okay. But question is not about just constructor. It is about what is constructor overloading. What do you mean by constructor overloading? Do you have any okay, you have joined from laptop, right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah. So can you share your screen and can you write a simple program in Java with the concept of constructor overloading? A simple program in Java.
I don't get, sir, question. Constructor overloading means I just get method overloading and what?
Okay, okay, no worries. So I'll explain you what is constructor overloading.
Okay.
Let me write a simple program for that. Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Hmm. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, what is constructor overloading? Now, constructor overloading is the process of creating multiple constructors in the class, and they will consist of same name with a difference in the parameters. Okay, their parameter will be different, but the name will be same. Also, when I say the parameters will be different, so depending on the number of parameters and their types, the different types of constructors are called. Okay, now see, you can see one simple program here over here. This is class
Class.
hospital.
Class.
Okay, in this we have got this variables. Okay, now I have got
Okay.
this particular function. You see,
Yes, yes.
it is integer doctors, integer nurses. Okay, but again, this particular function is also there. Okay, this is one constructor, this is also one, and it will have
Different
integer
parameter like
doctors.
that.
Yeah, so over here parameters are different. See,
Yes, sir.
it's
Yes.
yeah. So depending on the number of parameters, see over here two parameters are there. Here only one parameter. Again here one
Yes.
parameter, right? So parameters are different. Name
Method
is
name is same. So,
right.
but this thing also happen in method overloading.
Yes, yes. So method overloading, constructor overloading, right? So this is what you can tell.
Okay.
Okay. Now, mm, can you write a Java program on how will you reverse a particular string? Let's say you have string as Yogesh.
Yes.
Okay. Now, how will you reverse this string in Java?
Your string in Java.
Can you share your screen and write a program
Yes,
on
sir.
that? Hmm. You can click on share screen option.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
On Eclipse or Notepad, sir.
Whichever is whichever you are comfortable.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, screen is visible. You have to reverse a string in Java.
String is Yogesh, sir.
Yes, string is Yogesh.
No, sir. I forget.
You don't remember it? Would you
Yes.
like to give a try?
No, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay, no worries. Uh, Let me share my screen. if I can help you with the solution of this program.
Yes.
I think can you please stop sharing your screen so I can start sharing it?
Yes. Yes.
Hmm. Okay, thank you. So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now over here, when so on a very high level, see first of all, how many characters are there in your string, right? So as per the number of characters in Yogesh, you will have to traverse with the length of the string, right? So first of
Yes.
all, you will identify the length of the string, then extract each character while traversing, add each character in the
Okay.
front of the existing string, right? Now this is a
Yes, sir.
Java program. Okay, now this is the string, okay, Yogesh, and we
Yes.
have, yeah, two strings, true string and one character variable we need to declare. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
for loop we have to use based on string dot length. It will extract each
Dot length.
character, yeah, and it will add each character in the front of the existing string. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if this question is asked to you in an interview, so you can write this program. After writing the program, you have to explain the code to them.
Yes.
Okay, now um, is this banking website visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now your test manager comes to you and he tells you that Yogesh, you need to write high level test scenarios for this particular banking page. So how will you
For
write?
this particular page.
Hmm, hmm,
For this particular page, right?
hmm, hmm,
First, sir, I will write a scenario.
hmm,
Verify that ICICI Bank logo is visible or not to the end user.
hmm, hmm,
Then verify the all tab present on that web page, like personal banking,
hmm.
privilege banking, wealth management, and uh, again verify that end user should be clickable on personal banking.
Hmm.
Then
Then,
log into internet banking. Then verify that when a user enter user ID, it get should be navigate or not. Yes, sir. That's it.
that's it. So in an interview, if you are asked to tell about high level test scenarios, so try to answer this question up to the maximum limit, right? So try to cover
Yes.
everything, functional test scenarios, non-functional test scenarios, GUI test scenarios, everything. Okay. So all these
Sir.
links are working properly. These images are displayed. Verify the user ID. When you click on that text box, you are able to see you are able to enter text box. You should be also able to enter the data from virtual keyboard, right? Password should be coming in the non-plain text format. You should be able to click on login button. Then you should be able to enter the test data in user ID with alphanumeric characters, numeric characters, special characters, only alphabetic characters. Same goes for password. If you remember this user ID for next time, so those things should be automatically popped up over there. You should be very, yeah, you should be able to use this login with mobile number functionality also, right? So these are the high level test scenarios. Verify get password link, get user ID is working or not, right? Then you can scroll down So verify all these text that is being written, that is properly working, and that is properly visible, and it does not has any spelling mistakes, right? So these
Yes.
all things you have to tell. Verify this ICICI Bank logo is displayed properly,
Yes, sir.
right? So try to answer in this particular manner. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's say you enter your user ID correctly and you enter password correctly. You click on login button, you are able to log in successfully. Okay. But
Okay.
when you try to log in every fifth or sixth time, you are not able to log in, irrespective of whether you enter correct user
Yes.
ID or
After time, it should get be an error.
yeah. So it is a bug, right? Now
Right. Right.
let's say out of 5 times, every fifth time you are not able to log in successfully, even though your credentials are correct. So what will be the severity and what will be the priority of this defect?
Severity and priority.
What will be the severity and what will be the priority of this defect?
Severity is high, sir, and priority is low.
Why?
It means medium. Because uh, whenever end user try to log in after 5 times,
Hmm.
then it should not be login.
Hmm.
That's why severity is
Okay, but it might happen that whenever you are using this website, you might would have gone for a coffee or outside, and then this session got expired, right? So you might have to log
yes,
in 5 to 6 times in one particular day itself, or you might have to log into this website maybe every day. Then every fifth day you will be facing this problem. So don't you think priority will also be high,
yes, sir.
right? So it's a high severity, high priority defect. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. What do you mean by integration testing?
Integration testing.
Hmm.
The integration testing nothing but this testing is performed by the developer and they merging new code with existing code.
Why
It's called as
developer
integration
will perform integration testing?
because they are aware about coding knowledge and coding structure.
Hmm. Okay. What is unit
They
testing?
merging
Okay. What is unit testing?
unit testing is also ca- called as white box testing.
Hmm. Are you sure?
And in white, yes, sir.
Hmm. Yes, you are telling something about white box testing.
White box testing. In this testing, there are only developer are involved, and because they are aware about internal structure of the software and application, and they should have to check positive as well as negative scenario in that.
Hmm. See, integration testing means when the software modules or various applications are integrated logically and you are testing them as a group, right? There will be,
Yes,
let's say there is a functionality A or feature A. Now you have got feature B. What if they both
B.
are integrated in one particular application? So you will have to test A plus B, right? That is integration. And that will be
Right.
performed by the software testing team. That is people like you and me, right? Unit testing
Yes, yes,
is the thing that is performed by the development team. Okay.
yes.
White box testing is a testing in which internal structure of the code knowledge is required. But still that
Right,
is,
right.
yeah, that can be done by the tester also, right? So
Okay.
integration testing is not done by the development team. Never.
Developer.
Never. It is not done. It is done. It is
Okay,
the
sir.
responsibility of the testing team.
Testing.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, can you give me the types of how many types of integration testing are there?
No, sir, I don't get remember.
Okay, so let this be a question for the people who are watching this video. How many types of integration testing are there? Okay. Okay, Yogesh, I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. Just one thing. As a fresher, how to prepare for
Mhm.
the software testing?
Okay, so for software testing, you will get you will have to know the manual testing concepts first, like what are types of testing, integration testing, unit testing. You will have to practice how can you come up with the test scenarios, right?
Okay, sir.
In an interview, then practice Java, practice SQL based questions. So those things can be asked to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Yogesh. Wish you all the best for your career, and uh, please share your success story on this channel once you are getting a job in the software testing.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Yogesh. And
Thank you, sir.
yeah, yeah. Happy weekend.
Happy weekend, sir.
Yeah.